In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Vinted app on Android. This process is straightforward and will take just a few minutes. By the end, you will have the Vinted app ready on your device, allowing you to buy and sell secondhand items easily. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon, which resembles a colorful triangle, usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will load, displaying various apps and games. This is your gateway to a vast selection of applications, including Vinted. If you are prompted to log in, make sure to enter your Google account credentials. This step is crucial because it ensures you have access to all the apps you want to download. Next, tap the search bar located at the top of the Google Play Store. This bar is where you will type the name of the app you are looking for. In this case, type Vinted. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below. This feature helps you find the app even faster. Once you finish typing, the search function will display a list of relevant apps. This part is important as it directs you to the correct application without any confusion. Now, look for the official Vinted app in the search results. It should be labeled as Vinted Minds Buy and Sell Secondhand and will feature the Vinted logo. Selecting the correct app is essential because there may be other similar apps available. By choosing the official one, you ensure that you are downloading the genuine Vinted experience. You may notice the app's rating and reviews displayed alongside it. This information can help reassure you about the app's credibility and functionality. With the official Vinted app selected, tap on the Install button. This button is typically green and easy to spot. Once you tap it, the download process will begin. You will see a progress indicator showing you how much of the app has been downloaded. This step is significant because it initiates the installation of the app onto your device. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install. You can feel confident knowing that the app is being set up correctly on your Android device. After the installation process finishes, you will see an option to open the app. You can either tap Open directly from the Play Store or find the Vinted icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. Tapping the icon will launch Vinted, and you will be greeted by a welcoming screen that invites you to explore. This moment marks the beginning of your experience with the app. You can now start browsing items, listing your own, and engaging with the Vinted community. That wraps up our guide on how to download the Vinted app on Android. Remember, these steps are simple, and you can always revisit this video if needed. With Vinted on your device, you're all set to enjoy a fantastic platform for buying and selling secondhand items. Happy exploring!